Welcome to the tutorial video on reports in Entera Payroll. This module is visible only to user with role HR, admin or super admin. You can review employee details from attendance to payroll. Everything is just a click away. First up we have attendance report. In this report, you will see the attendance of employee, check-in or check-out time of the employee. You can also see how many times employee has logged in the Entera Payroll software. The attendance report lets you track employee attendance in two ways. First, by employee name. In this tab, you can see the attendance report for specific employee. Select an employee name in the filter to see their attendance details. You can export the attendance report using the three-dot menu. Use the table setting icon to add or remove table columns of the report. Second, by date. In this tab, you can see the employee's attendance details in date-wise. Scroll the Dates section to see the attendance of the employee. You can export the attendance report using the three-dot menu. Use the table setting icon to add or remove table columns of the report. Next is Payroll Report. The payroll report provides a summary of payroll details, including total employees, salaries paid, and pending payments. See the total count of active or released employee of the month at top section. Export the sheet using the three-dot menu. Then comes the employee report. The employee report showcases comprehensive employee details, such as contact information, designations, and employment history. Use filter to search an employee by name and their details. Click on table setting icon to adjust the table content view as per your need. Now let's explore the appraisal report. The appraisal report contains appraisal details like salary increments and promotions of the employee. Filter the report by employee name or appraisal type. You can export the appraisal report using the three-dot menu. Use the table setting icon to add or remove table columns of the report. Lastly, we have payment report. The payment report displays only those payments which are made to employees in form of advances and reimbursements. Filter the report by payment type, employee name, or month and export the report effortlessly.